is a video circulating on social media where Enzo Aisha was obviously and visibly offended by a lady who was trying to kiss him during a fan photo shoot. So people were saying that this was clearly sexual harassment. By then, the Zim Crime Watch posted the video, and people started commenting that these females get too comfortable kissing a married man just because, like we all know, Enzo Aisha is married, and somebody said that's a sexual harassment. We still have a responsible men out there. And someone said, I'm just reading through the comments. Hansi Kuita Kunge Asinkade, nothing wrong with a kiss on the cheek. I mean, what do you mean? Nothing wrong with a kiss on the cheek on someone's husband? Are you crazy? Like, are you crazy? You know, some people just say they say anything that they want on social media, right? And someone is saying this is sexual harassment. Report here to the authorities for harassing Enzo. Hansi Enzo overreacted. Gara. So sexual harassment, if it was the other way around, people would be making noise. Report here to the police and get you arrested as soon as possible. Wakati mufana akajigiswa oyu, what is the man in what in the man is that? So this is how people reacted. So if you want to see more of these comments, you can actually go on a Zim Crime Watch on X and you see how people reacted.